I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and I wanted to show you how you can easily and pretty quickly change the headlights in your BMW E39 5 Series, or in this case, this gorgeous M5. All right, so there are a lot of E39s still out there on the road. And then you have this unbelievable example of an E39 M5, which is actually a model year 2000 and has 22,000 miles on the car. It is an absolute unicorn. It's just amazing. But the one thing the owner would like to do is refresh the headlights a little bit. And there's some really great options out there to bring a little more modern headlights and halos and the rest to your car. And you can do this pretty straightforward, pretty simply with only a few tools. It's not as hard as you'd think. So let's show you how you do it, and I'll walk you through the whole process. So now this particular car is an absolute exception because at this age, these are the original headlights. They should be frosted over and look like milkshake, and they still look absolutely perfect. I don't know what the owner's going to do with them, but I'd put them up and sell them because they're in perfect condition. It's really kind of amazing, honestly. In most cases, like my E83 X5, which is built very similarly to this E39, I replaced the headlights and mine were really badly clouded over. So those are the originals. Now I've already done one side because I kind of wanted to give you a hint of a little bit of the before and after. So here's what we're going to end up looking at. We've got a little bit of reflection off my light right at the moment, but as you can see, much more modern, includes modern halos, and quite a huge upgrade. Now, if you're looking to just replace yours with similar to OEM, to get rid of the cloudy or to do the upgrade or do the full upgrade like these, this is not all that hard of a project and really simple, and I can walk you through it.